What is going on, YouTube? So here I have a 2021 Dodge Durango RT, the tow and go package. That's what it's called. So what do we got here today is this guy right here. That guy. I've been seeing a lot of videos on YouTube on how to replace the front bumper, how to replace this headlight. There's been a lot of issues going on with the Dodge Durangos, newer models, with this LED strip going out. The white LED strip. Sorry about that. The amber works, but then when you turn on the daytime running lights, they do not turn on. So I've been seeing a lot of Dodge forums. I've been saying, oh, check the fuse. If it's not the fuse, then it's the headlight. Most likely it's the headlight. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna replace this headlight for a newer headlight. Remove the bumper first. Once we remove the bumper, we'll remove all of the plastic trims as well, and then attack this. Let's get to it. 8mm bolt right here. Take off this rivet here, another rivet right here, and a 10mm bolt that goes right there. And then all the screws and stuff down here, that's 10 screws. Hopefully I don't have to take off the whole bumper, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. Alright, so keep in mind, once you take this wheel flare off, I mean, I didn't take it off completely, just halfway. You can do whatever you want. But you have a rivet that goes here, rivet that goes right here, and then a screw. I have a T20 screw. So this is the T20 screw, and the other two little screws, rivets, whatever you want to call it, plastic screws. Same thing on the other side. Here you go. Bumper's officially removed. Now, let's take that bad boy out. And she's off. That's the old one. That's the, not new, but new used headlight, bought from eBay. That's the old one. Fingers crossed, hopefully these LED strip work. If not, you have to send them back and then look for another one. But fingers crossed, have faith that this is gonna work. It looks really good, you know. Take it from there. Here you go, guys, moment of truth. Let's see if it works. All right, let me just close. Ooh, okay, amber works. Let's do this. Turn that on right there. Hey, she works. There we go. There we go. Go the LED strips that were not working on that guy. For some reason went out, but HID LED lights function. We're officially done. As you can tell the difference, this one is more newer, it's more cleaner compared to this guy. You know, it's a little dirty. Got to take it for a car wash. But I had the daytime running lights off just because, you know, it was bothering me that the LED strips on this one, the white LED strips, went bad. These were working good, working fine, but the amber ones were working good as well. So let me turn these on. There we go. We're gonna go to apps. Go to vehicle, settings, lights, daytime running lights. There we go. Let's check them out. Job well done. Working perfectly fine. You could absolutely see the complete difference of that. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but absolute difference. Gotta clean it. It's been snowing, raining here upstate, but once you clean that out, it'll be nice and neat. Probably buff it out a little bit, but